So a breakup in its own is uncomfortable enough, alright? So what if you had to break up with someone that you didn't even know? Yana, Danny, how could you do this to me, man? We're more than lovers, we made a commitment. And now you just don't feel anything for me anymore. Mary, how could you do this to me, man? We loved each other for how many years? And now you're just gonna leave me. Marie, is this how it's gonna be now? Is this where you come and hide from me? You don't want to face our problems at home, then you come and sit here. We've been together for 4 years, and from this day, you say there's nothing. What about our children? That we don't have, but that we said we were gonna have. Oh, Mary, don't be like this, man. You said you will always love me. Don't you feel anything for me? Who are you texting? It's that other boyfriend, nah. No, it's no laughing matter. Who's got a broken heart? Are you gonna take the car as well? You're not even gonna leave me with the car. What am I getting out of this divorce? I love you, Danny. Danny makes a blue jeans. Whoa, I love you. Now, how can you just leave me like this? For another man. En hy lyk nogal soos 'n alkoholist ook. Hy sê ek drink nie eers nie. Ek drink nie eers deur die week nie. Net oor naweke en jy voel vir my niks. Just blow me one last kiss to remember you by. Don't go, Mary, I love you. I love you forever. Please forgive me. Daai ou is nie, sy skoene is nie so groot soos myne nie. Tell the guy he must leave.
This guy.
Tell him he must leave.
This one.
We together, man.
Dis nou genoeg, man. Dis nou genoeg.